Good afternoon to all. Today topic is about oncogenic viruses. These are come from some DNA viruses and some RNA viruses. These are human tumors, have viral risk factors from these oncogenic viruses. Maybe DNA viruses or RNA viruses. Viral etiology of foul leukemia was first discovered in 1980 by Ellerman and Baum. In 1911, Rouse showed that a virus caused foul sarcoma. Foul leukemia was first discovered in 1980. Foul sarcoma was discovered in 1911 by Rouse. For this study, he awarded a Nobel Prize in 1966. He was first observed foul sarcoma showed in 1911 and he was awarded in Nobel Prize in 1966. So much years gap was there. Now it has been estimated that 20% of human tumors have viral risk factors, maybe from DNA viruses or RNA viruses. DNA viruses, many genera are included to produce tumors. But in RNA viruses, one family, that family is Retroviridae family. Human T-cell leukemia virus, HIV. It was taught for you by Professor Balamurali Krishna sir. Excellently, he will give examples and everything he will tell about that HIV virus. The Retroviridae family will take part in these human risk factors, tumors. That family, Retroviridae family. Mechanism mainly of viral oncogenes. In case of oncogenic DNA viruses, the viral DNA portion of it will be integrated in the host cell genome, named prophase. It is incomplete, and that integrated portion is in incomplete virus produced. Then, in RNA viruses, in case of oncogenic RNA retroviruses, in case of oncogenic DNA viruses, the viral DNA portion of it is integrated with the host cell genome as prophase. In case of oncogenic RNA retroviruses, the viral RNA is converted into double-stranded DNA formed by the action of enzyme. Mainly, sir will tell about this in RNA viruses, especially Retroviridae family. Enzyme is reverse transcriptase. RNA directed DNA polymerase. Here, retrovirus genome called provirus integrated with cell genome. Here, the provirus. It remains latent for variable periods. Now, we will look after that oncogenic viruses. Viruses that produce tumors in their natural host or in experimental animals, or which induce malignant transformation of cells on culture are known as oncogenic viruses. Virus infection accounts for 10 to 20% of human malignancies, mainly by some DNA viruses or RNA viruses. Oncogenic properties of cell transformed by viruses. Altered cell morphology. It will be fully change the cell morphology. Fibroblasts become shorter, parallel orientation is lost, and chromosomal aberrations appear with the usually seen. Next, altered cell metabolism. Cell morphology it all changes and altered cell metabolism. Increased growth rate, increased production of organic acids and acid mucopolysaccharides. Altered growth characteristics, loss of contact inhibition, formation of heap upgrowth, microtumors, capacity to divide indefinitely in serial culture, capacity to grow in suspension or in spermatozoa. Antigenic alterations, appearance of new virus specified antigens, T antigen, loss of surface antigens, cell become agglutinable by lectins, capacity to induce tumor in susceptible animals. List of now oncogenic viruses. I told already, now it has been estimated that 20% of human tumors have viral risk factors, either DNA viruses. Many genera produce tumors in DNA viruses. RNA viruses, especially retroviral viruses, form and formerly named as coronavirus. That RNA viruses are retroviruses. Those are avian leukosis viruses, murine leukosis viruses, murine mammary tumor viruses, leukosis sarcoma virus of various animals. Main thing is human T-cell leukemia viruses. Only one from RNA side, that is retroviruses, retroviridae family, retroviruses, human T-cell leukemia viruses, HIV. DNA viruses. In DNA viruses, papavirus, it causes human papilloma viruses, polyoma viruses. Polyoma means latent infection in laboratory and domestic mycelial vision. Papilloma viruses, polyoma virus, semen virus, SV40 called as semen virus, BK and JC virus. JC virus. These two are isolated from urine sample and JC is isolated from brain sample also. These cause asymptomatic human infections, but induced tumors in immunodeficient patients. This one, BK and JC. Pox viruses. Mainly pox viruses are molluscum contagiosum, Yaba virus, and shock fibroma. This topic mainly they will ask for short answer and very short answer. If very short answer, they will give this about oncogenic virus. Simply write any organisms, any viruses causing oncogenic tumor like that, or write any 4 oncogenic viruses. Then simply you mention these names. One is retroviruses, retroviridae family, human T-cell leukemia virus, HIV. DNA viruses, papavirus. In this papavirus, papilloma, human papilloma viruses, polyoma virus, Simon virus 40, SV40, BK and JC viruses. Pox viruses. Pox. For this, molluscum contagiosum, Yaba virus, and shock fibroma. And another one, adenovirus. This is like a space wheel, adenovirus. Many humans and non-human types. Mainly, it does not infect human. Mainly infect animals only. This one, adenovirus. Herpes virus. In herpes, you will see mainly herpes virus, Epstein-Barr virus, cytomegalovirus. Herpes virus 8, herpes, human herpes virus 8, and Epstein-Barr virus, herpes simplex virus type 1 and type 2, and cytomegalovirus. adenovirus. In herpes family, you will see these adenovirus, pox virus. Simply write 4 examples. One is retroviruses, another one papavirus family, papillomavirus, polyomavirus, and pox viruses, molluscum contagiosum, Yaba virus, and Shock fibroma. Adenovirus, herpes family, mainly cytomegalovirus, Epstein-Barr virus, and herpes, human herpes virus 8, and 1 herpes simplex. Hepatitis B, it is a DNA virus, and hepatitis C virus, it comes under RNA viruses. Here, retroviridae family, human T-cell leukemia virus, and hepatitis C in RNA viruses. DNA viruses, hepatitis B. Viruses associated with human cancer, mainly Papaver, human papilloma virus. Types of cancer: cervical cancer, vulvar cancer, penile cancers. Squamous cell carcinoma will be usually seen in Papaver. Herpes viridae, Epstein-Barr virus. Epstein-Barr virus. Types of cancer: nasopharyngeal carcinoma, African Burkitt's lymphoma will be usually seen in herpes viridae. Virus is this family herpes viridae. Virus Epstein-Barr virus. Hepatna viridae. Epstein-Barr virus and herpes simplex virus type 2. B-cell lymphoma and cervical carcinoma causes. And hepatna viridae. It comes under viruses hepatitis B virus. It is a DNA virus. All other are RNA viruses in hepatitis family. Hepatna viridae, hepatitis B virus. It causes hepatocellular carcinoma. Flaviviridae. Flaviviridae, hepatitis C virus. C virus, it comes under RNA virus. And it also causes hepatocellular carcinoma. Retroviridae. In retroviridae, human T-cell leukemia virus. And the types of cancer is adult T-cell leukemia or lymphoma. In this, HTLV1 and HTLV2 will be there. HTLV1 it causes T-cell leukemia type, adult T-cell leukemia type. HTLV2 it causes cell leukemia of T-cell types, induces hairy. Now you move on to oncogenic DNA viruses. For DNA viruses, first one is papavirus. In papaviruses, human papilloma virus and polyoma virus and Simon virus 40 and BK and JC. I told already. Human papilloma virus. Human papilloma virus. Type 16 and 18 cancer of cervix uteri. Will be same in this. Polyoma virus, BK and JC. I already told this BK and JC are isolated from urine sample both, and JC is isolated from brain sample also. It causes asymptomatic human infections, but can induce tumors in immunodeficient patients. In immunodeficient patients, it can induce tumors in immunodeficient patients. Asymptomatic human infections will be seen in BK and JC. Simon virus 40, SV40. This one was discovered in monkey kidney cultures, used for production of polio vaccines. So transformation is induced by culture cell from several species. Vaccine production of polio vaccine. Now come to pox viruses. Pox viruses induces benign tumors, rabbit fibroma, molluscum contagiosum, Eva virus. In this molluscum contagiosum in human beings growth produced by molluscum contagiosum virus, mainly in pox viruses. This shock fibroma produces fibroma in rabbits. Shock fibroma. Yaba virus naturally occurring benign histocytomas in monkeys. Shock fibroma produces fibromas in rabbit, and Yaba virus naturally occurring benign histocytomas in monkeys. And molluscum contagiosum is mainly seen in human being tumors, but molluscum contagiosum virus. Adenovirus types 12, 19, 12, 19, 31 may produce sarcomas in newborn rodents. Adenovirus may produce sarcomas in hamsters, mainly in experimental animals. They don't have any association with human cancer. They don't have any association with human cancer, adenovirus. Only in experimental animals, hamsters and rodents. Okay. I told this herpes simplex virus. For this herpes simplex virus, type 1 and type 2, oral ocular lesions and encephalitis and keratoconjunctivitis will be seen in herpes simplex virus type 1 for human beings especially. And in type 2 herpes simplex virus, genital infections will be seen in neonatal herpes or asymptomatic meningitis will be usually seen in this herpes simplex virus. Next. Herpes. I told already. Herpes simplex virus. This one I told. This type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is mainly oral ocular lesions, encephalitis, and keratoconjunctivitis. This herpes simplex virus will be seen in type 1. These all will be seen for especially in human beings. In type 2, genital infections and neonatal infections and aseptic meningitis will be seen for herpes simplex. Marek's disease, fatal contagious neurolymphomatosis of chicken prevented by a live everline vaccine. This Marek's disease, mainly natural cancer in animals will be seen. Neurolymphomatosis in chickens. For this, Marek's mainly for chickens. For experimental animals only we will see. There's Luke's tumor of frogs. Renal adenocarcinoma in frogs. This is also in experimental animals only we will see. Herpes virus similarly, it causes fatal lymphoma or reticulum cell carcinoma, sarcoma. Fatal lymphoma or reticulum cell sarcoma when injected into whole monkey or rabbits. And injected into whole monkey or rabbits. Fatal lymphoma or reticulum cell sarcoma. Epstein-Barr virus. This Epstein-Barr virus induces infectious mononucleus Burkitt's lymphoma, occurs in immunocompromised children, mainly in immunocompromised children. Epstein-Barr virus to transfer normal lymphocytes into lymphoblasts in children whose immune system is immunocompromised, mainly whose immune system is immunocompromised in children. Chronic malaria, transplant recipient, nasopharyngeal carcinoma in Chinese male population will be usually seen. Herpes simplex virus. Herpes simplex type 2, cancer of uterine cervix, I already told. Herpes simplex type 1, cancer of lip. Oral ocular lesions, I already told. Type 8, Kaposi sarcoma will be seen. Cytomegalovirus. Oval shaped cells will be there, large. That cytomegalovirus. Carcinoma of prostate and Kaposi sarcoma will be seen. cytomegalovirus. Kaposi sarcoma and carcinoma of prostate will be same. Infection may be suggested and associated with Kaposi sarcoma or carcinoma of prostate will be same. Hepatitis B virus and C virus. Hepatitis B virus is a DNA virus. Hepatitis C virus is RNA virus. This one family Flaviviridae. This one family Hepatnaviridae. Induces mainly hepatocellular carcinoma. Strongly implicated in development of hepatocellular carcinoma. Now come to retroviruses. These envelop spherical viruses released by budding through the host cell membrane, 100 nanometer in size. The genome consists of two identical linear single-stranded RNA molecule. RNA molecule. RNA molecule. RNA molecule. The genome consists of two identical linear single-stranded RNA molecule. I told already what it will occur in RNA viruses. In case of oncogenic RNA retroviruses, the viral RNA is converted into double-stranded DNA formed by the action of enzyme reverse transcriptase. RNA-directed RNA polymerase will be same. The enzyme reverse transcriptase. Icosahedron nucleocapsid core encloses the helical ribonucleoprotein and is surrounded by an envelope composed of glycoprotein and lipid. Characteristic features of retrovirus is the presence of RNA-dependent DNA polymerase. Already I said here RNA-directed DNA polymerase. Why? The viral RNA is converted into double-stranded DNA formed by the action of enzyme reverse transcriptase. DNA dependent polymerase of reverse transcriptase and the forms provirus, which is integrated into the DNA of infected host cell. Remains integrated for the rest of the life of the cell. It remains latent for variable periods, rest of the life of cell. Classification of Retroviridae. Family Retroviridae is classified into three subfamilies. Oncovirinae, all oncogenic RNA viruses will be seen. Before going to this, genes that are responsible for induction of tumors are called oncogenes. Genes that are responsible for induction of tumors are called oncogenes. Many of them not only play important role in malignant transformation, but also in normal cell growth. These oncogenic viruses will be seen. The oncogenes present in viruses are called viral oncogenes. The oncogenes present in viruses are called viral oncogenes. Spumvirinae, non-oncogenic foamy-viruses. Lentivirinae, viruses causing slow infection, human and animal immunodeficiency viruses. Genes that are responsible for induction of tumors are called oncogenes. Asala oncogenes ante genes that are responsible for induction of tumors are called oncogenes. Many of them not only play an important role in malignant formation, they can form also form in normal cell growth. The oncogenes present in viruses are called viral oncogenes. The oncogenes present in viruses are called viral oncogenes. Avian leukosis complex, a group of antigenically related viruses which induce avian leukosis or sarcoma in fowls. Murine leukosis is viruses, memory tumor virus of mice, leukosis, sarcoma viruses of other animals. Human T-cell leukemia is lymphotropic viruses. human T cell leukemia viruses. T cell leukemia or lymphoma viruses. HT, human T cell leukemia virus 1 and virus 2. I already said this. Cutaneous T cell lymphoma, Sézary syndrome, adult T cell leukemia, tropical spastic paraparesis. Classification depending on the ability to grow in cells from different species, retroviruses are classified as uh, ectropic, ectropic, am, ectropic, amphotropic, and xenotropic. Ectotropic. Ectotropic means a virus only replicate in its original host species, commonly murine retroviruses. Xenotropic means other of which impact only on heterogeneous species. Heterologous species. Amphotropic means third category. It infects both original and heterologous species. Ecotropic means virus only replicates in original host species. Xenotropic means which infects only in heterologous species. Amphotropic means both, third category, infects cells of both original and heterologous species. Virus transmission. Exogenous retroviruses spreads horizontally and endogenous retroviruses spreads vertically. Exogenous retroviruses spreads horizontally, endogenous retroviruses spreads vertically. Usually silent and do not transform cells or cause any disease. Resistance. Retroviruses are labile, inactivated at 56 degrees centigrade in 30 minutes and with mild acid ether or formalin, stable at 30 degrees centigrade. Antigen. Two types of antigens are present. Type 1. Specific glycoprotein antigen on the envelope. Specific glycoprotein antigen on the envelope group. Specific nucleoprotein antigens in the virion core. Specific nucleoprotein antigens in the virion core part. These are genomic structures. One is basic retrovirus genome. Second one, trans-regulating retroviruses. Third one, acute transforming retroviruses. Oncogene replacing part of basic genome instead of this. GAT. Retrovirus genome, a basic retrovirus genome, avian leukemia viruses instead of the GAT oncogenic replacing a part of basic genome. Replication. Virus transformation. Slow transforming viruses, low oncogenic potential and induced malignant change after a long latent period will be seen. Do not transform cultured cell. Acute transforming viruses are highly oncogenic viruses, short latent period will be seen, also transform cells in culture. They can be replication defective or replication competent will be seen. In animals, mainly origin, chicken, rat, SRC, viral oncogene, RAS, MYC, FES, like this. Given 3-letter codes for the animal or tumor for which they are derived by B or C for viral or cellular genes respectively. Natural sarcoma, sarcoma leukemia, sarcoma, human genes C, CRS. Chromosomal location in human beings 20, 11, 8, 15, 22. Viral oncogenes. What I told, the oncogenes present in viruses are called viral oncogenes. The oncogenes present in viruses are called viral oncogenes. Cancer genes encode proteins triggering the transformation of normal cell into cancer cells. cellular oncogenes. Cellular oncogenes isolated from cancer cells, similar genes or normal cells are called proto-oncogenes. Transfection. Usually method for the study of oncogenes by incorporating foreign DNA into host cell genome. Foreign DNA into host cell genome. Anti-oncogenes. A class of genes identified in the normal retinoblastoma gene, the loss of which is associated with development retinoblastoma in mainly children. P53 genes, tumor suppressor gene. Specific chromosomal deletions will be then recognized in association with certain types of human cancer. May reflect the loss of tumor suppressor genes. Tumor suppressor genes. Mechanism of viral genes. Mechanism of viral genes. Oncogenic DNA viruses. DNA viruses, the viral DNA portion of its integrated with the host cell genome is called prophase. Viral DNA is integrated with the host cell genome under the influence of host cell which undergoes malignant transformation. It is oncogenic DNA viruses. Oncogenic RNA viruses. Here, instead of RNA retroviruses, the viral RNA is converted into double-stranded DNA formed by an action of enzyme reverse transcriptase. RNA directed DNA polymerase. Retroviruses induce tumors by two mechanisms: by introducing an oncogene into cellular genome, by inducing or altering the expression of pre-existing cellular genes called oncogenic viruses. This one be mainly asked for 2 marks. Very short answer. Very short answer. What they will ask? Name oncogenic viruses. Then simply you name. They will ask for or name some oncogenic viruses. Then you have to write human papilloma virus. It comes under DNA virus. Epstein-Barr virus. Human herpes. Human herpes simplex virus. Hepatitis B virus and Merkel cell polyoma virus. These all are DNA viruses. DNA viruses, papaviruses, human papilloma virus, polyoma virus, semen virus 40 and BK and JC. These all are DNA viruses. Polio viruses, molluscum contagiosum, Ebola virus and shock fibroma, polio viruses. And RNA viruses, human T-cell leukemia virus. In this, HTLV1 causes adult T-cell leukemia and HTLV2 induces hairy cell leukemia T-cell type. Mainly, it will ask for very short answer. Then simply you mention those viruses. One is papavirus, in papavirus, papilloma virus, polyoma virus, semen virus, in polio virus, molluscum contagiosum, Ebola virus, shock fibroma, in herpes virus, varicella zoster, cytomegalovirus, and Epstein-Barr virus will be seen in this. And adenovirus. Another one. These are all DNA viruses, RNA viruses, except hepatitis C and retroviridae family. Human T-cell leukemia virus. For Harald Ger Hassan for awarded Nobel Prize for human papilloma virus causing cervical cancer. for virology. He was awarded Nobel Prize in 2008 for his study. He was a German scientist, Harald Gerhausen. And you all know Dr. Luc Montagnier. He was a French scientist, virology scientist for a study of on HIV, retroviral family. He was awarded. He also a Nobel laureate. He was awarded Nobel Prize in 2008 only. In our department, by this Luc Montagnier, our HODs are also took a photo pics with this scientist. He also involved in that study, I think so. He was a French virologist. He was awarded Nobel Prize in 2008. For 2 marks, he will ask simply you mention these names. If they will ask for short answer, you have to put some description for viruses, especially DNA viruses, papavirus, herpes virus, hepatitis B virus, pox virus, and adenovirus. For DNA viruses, papavirus. In papavirus, human papilloma virus will be there. These all are examples only. First, DNA viruses you separate into DNA viruses and RNA virus. In DNA viruses, papavirus. In papavirus, human papilloma virus, polyoma virus, 740 virus, BK and JC virus. In herpes virus, herpes simplex virus, type 1 and type 2, cytomegalovirus, Epstein-Barr virus, Marek's disease virus, and herpes virus summary. If you feel difficult, you mainly keep in your mind papavirus, human papilloma virus. You will be very easily remember it. Human papilloma virus and polyoma virus. BK and JC virus. For papavirus, it finished. Herpes virus. In herpes virus, very easy. Herpes simplex virus, type 1 and type 2. Epstein-Barr virus, EBV virus, and cytomegalovirus, CMV. That virus is having big oval eyes to like that. That cytomegalovirus, Epstein-Barr virus. Herpes virus, Samari. This one in herpes virus. Hepatitis B virus. It will be very easily you will remember it. Hepatitis B virus. Out of all hepatitis B virus only is the DNA virus. All other are RNA viruses. Pox virus. Pox, these are largest pox organisms. Pox. Variola, vaccinia. If you remember these, I think so. That variola, vaccinia, pox viruses. Molluscum contagiosum, Shope fibroma, Yaba virus. Shope fibroma produce fibromas in rabbit. Yaba virus naturally occurring in benign histocytomas in monkeys. In rabbits, Shope fibroma, Yaba virus in monkeys. Adenovirus. Though some types of 12-18-31 of human produce, adenovirus may produce sarcomas in hamsters in experimental animals inoculation only. It does not appear in association of human cancer. Adenovirus. Adenovirus is like shape wheel. In Aditya 369, one transmission will be there now, like that space, airspace vehicle, like it will be there. Adenoviruses. Like antennas will be there now, the DNA virus. RNA viruses only retroviral family and hepatitis C virus. Okay, with this you finish this oncogenic viruses. From this topic oncogenic viruses, for these oncogenic viruses mainly you will see, you will cover that hepatitis B virus. It also form tumors, human tumors. That's why hepatitis B will takes place in these oncogenic viruses. Hepatitis C virus will take place in oncogenic viruses. Miscellaneous topic. Manasirisha Madam told before this class, I think so. In this papavirus, papavirus it will be covered in that. These all will come. Herpes simplex virus takes place for. These are oncogenic viruses. Oncogenic viruses. Now it has been estimated 20% of human tumors have viral risk factors, mainly DNA produced tumors, RNA little bit, only retroviral and hepatitis C. First, if you give like that, before writing examples, oncogenes means genes that are responsible for induction of tumors are called oncogenes. Genes that are responsible for induction of tumors. Genes that are responsible for induction of tumors are called oncogenes. They won't play an important role in malignant formation only. Normal cell growth also, transformation also, but they also play an important role in normal cell growth also. Oncogenes present in viruses are called viral oncogenes. Oncogenes present in viruses are called viral oncogenes. Okay, with this whole virology have finished. Next, applied microbiology and clinical microbiology also. Okay, bye.
ఈ ఎండ కొట్టేసి